Come on. Man, that's nice. It's always drive to it.
Oh, we'll drive.
In the electric, yeah.
All right, come check this out, guys. So it's got no door handles. You got a little button right here. You press that button. You grab this little fender thing. Unlocks the car. Check out the interior. It just keeps going.
Yeah, I feel it.
The radio does it too. I don't know why the radio didn't do it that time. Unless
Don't
it's
just start
because.
it. That's dope.
It's pretty badass. The Ford Bronco does it too, but it does a different little thing.
Yeah.
The Bronco, when you start it up, it's got rocks and stuff, and the rocks kind of start spiraling like a tornado, and then it forms the pony.
They got a Bronco here, dude?
Yeah, but I don't have keys to it.
Nah.
The keys are locked up now.
Turn it on.
All right. This is Mach E startup. That's it. Ready to go. And now it's in drive.
Barely any noise. A little hum. That's about it. Pop the hood, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna check and see what's under the hood.
Under the hood. Oh, they got a camera right here.
I'll show you that in a second.
That's a hell of an engine right there.
That's right.
Ooh, 5.0.
Yep. It's Coyote motor. It's the Invisa class.
It looks like nothing in there. Looks like nothing in there.
Looks like we got enough room to stuff you in there.
Right. Windshield wiper fluid?
Yep.
Wonder what's under here. I guess that's how you get to the.
So you can take this off. You can adjust the level of the headlights. Just to cover to quickly get to it.
So it's not pointing down like Rob.
Yes. Yeah.
So I'm guessing it's like the tails of the batteries under the bottom.
Yeah, right where the gas tank would be. So this is your second trunk. You got two trunks on this car. You got your inflator kit in case you get a flat.
That's all they come with nowadays. What's
Yeah.
this?
Floor mat.
Ah, okay.
Floor mat for this.
It did do it. So it has the kick feature.
Yeah, I just don't know where it's at. I don't know where the sensor is.
That's surprising. I didn't know they still kept that around.
It's great. Like there's, like normally you can see the suspension, you know, the exhaust tips and everything. It's none of that. It's just flat.
I got down for y'all. Yeah, it's literally nothing. I guess they have to cover that
The battery.
battery and make sure it's nothing hit it and bust it or anything like that. Oh yeah, that's dope. Show those 3 modes again.
So you got 3 drive modes.
Yeah.
You got engage. You got whisper. It's engage right there. It changes the look of the cluster and the radio. And if you have auto ambient light selection, it'll change the color of the lights under the dash and in the doors.
I wonder what that is.
To be honest with you, I don't know.
Yeah.
No idea. No idea. I'm a Mopar guy through and through. This is all new to me. You got valet mode. You can lock the speed, the car, and a couple of other things. You can lock the trunk when it's being valeted. You got driver assistance. That's your auto hold, your traction control, ABS. You have parking. So this vehicle will park itself for you. If you're in Walmart parking lot, you got this button right here. So pretty much you hold that button, and then you'll have three options. You can do perpendicular parking, you can do parallel parking, you can just do regular parking assist. It'll look for a parking spot as you're driving, and when it sees it, it'll tell you to stop, and then it'll tell you to let go of the steering wheel, and it'll tell you when to put it.
Go. Yeah. That's the front camera.
Come closer to the car.
Come closer.
It'll show him walking.
Oh, that's
around.
dope.
Watch. I'll do.
Oh,
Watch that. Is it showing it yet?
No, not yet. Yep. Everybody he's by it shows. Yep. That's pretty cool. But I just instant acceleration. You gotta have attention, bro.
Take a picture of it. Don't take a video.
Man, that's a nasty shot.
Look.
Look at that.
Let me see.
Oh yeah,
Let me see.
that's definitely like. You need to post that up. Video coming soon. Mach E.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh God.
I wonder if that's the blinker.
It is. Yeah.
Okay, so when it blinks, it does that. Yeah, that's dope. Yeah.
And the tail lights do it all the way across too, and it's got an extra little bar.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's
I think it was
cool.
a pretty badass idea. Like chicken wing?
Uh-huh.